Dr. Amanwar, Director ke Health Services ulah pentip bana kisah pula ingut ke bayo COVID-19 menta kesngi afn rungut kide na is khasil seswek hakaba afula ingut kide na ki high risk contact arngut ki bon phai na barjala but iwe ide na ki armed forces paramilitary force ki arngut na South Garo Hills kide ki high risk contact but ki khatsan ngut na West Garo Hills kide hindrungut ki bon phai na barjala arngut na ka random sampling but nyongut na ki armed forces but paramilitary forces.
East Khasi Hills 26. Out of this 26, 23 are high-risk contacts, 2 are from the returnees, and one is from the armed forces, paramilitary forces. South Garo Hills 2, they are high-risk contacts. West Garo Hills 15, 6 are returnees, 1 from the Tikrikila Sample Collection Center, and 1 from Fulbari Sample Collection Center. 7 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces.